Hi, I'm Justin with Seaboard Marine, and today we're going to show you how we put the prop shaft in this lobster boat here. We started with a 42-foot fiberglass hull, and the customer did a lot of his own fiberglass work on the interior. I'll show you some shots of that. We're also going to show you how we built the mounts for the transmission and align the preliminary alignment of the transmission and prop shaft flange. Are we going to put it in?
Put it in.
Okay. How big a shaft is it?
2.5 inch shaft.
Wow, how long?
It's about 17 feet long.
Bearing for what?
That is bearing for the shaft. The last one.
Last one.
Of all three.
We already got one in the middle, right?
Yeah, and one in the front.
There's the mid shaft bearing.
Heavy, Andre.
Does it feel like it's binding up or down, or you can't feel it?
I think it's real.
Okay, you think it's go up?
Raise the fork, put that.
Raise the fork up.
Yeah.
Then.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's so nice.